Hi guys, MC Pretty is back and syempre another reaction na naman gagawin. Nice to meet you guys. Kamusta naman kayo dyan? Thank you so much sa mga naka-appreciate sa last reaction ko last week. So, I think magto 2 weeks na yung mga upload ko is puro reaction. So, thank you so much sa mga naka-appreciate, sa mga nanood, sa mga nag-share, sa mga nag-like, lahat. Thank you so much guys. I'm really very appreciated guys. So, now, I'm just here again. Manggugulo na naman ako sa buhay nyo. Siyempre, magre-reaction na naman ako guys. But, this is another cover by Mary Kim Kabagti and in the name of cover of Okay PH from the Philippines. Thank you so much for sharing this. Last 4 days ago, so nag-viral yung cover niya, which is I Love You from original is Celine Dion. So, sa mga nag-I love you dyan, kahit walang letter, just go!
Ano, sa inyo, natamimi kayo, ano?
Huwag kang nag-I love you. Pero na guys, bago pa ako mag-vlog, dami ko nang daldal. So, excited ako na mag-react this. After natin pakinggan yung kantong to, so, syempre, magbibigay tayo ng reaction. So, I'm so excited with you! Syempre, kasama ko kayo, guys!
MC Pretty.
So, ito na. And for 7 minutes, mapapakinggan natin ang kanyang song, which is I Love You, covered by Mary Kim Kabagti. Let's go! Ooh. Whoa! Feel na feel. I love you. Check out guys, cover Okay PH from the Philippines. So, until the end, sasabihin ko pa rin sa'yo guys na huwag kang mag-I love you sa mga tao. So, gumising ka. Thank you so much for watching this video and another reaction video ang ating napakinggan. And thank you so much. I have to apologize sa mga past video ko, reaction ko na hindi okay, mahina yung voice, mahina yung pangit yung light, mga ganon. So, sorry, but I know na naiintindihan niyo ako kasi nandyan kayo palagi na nakasubaybay sa akin. And thank you so much for watching this wonderful video. But I have to shout out this kasi may nabasa ako na nagpa-notice siya. I will check. So, i-shout out natin to kasi saan na ba yun? Sana makita natin dito. Ito, panotice, Idol Pretty from Bahrain. So, shout out sa'yo. User BO7ST3QY7I 1 hour ago. And to Dugong Pinoy, shout out and congratulations. Sabi niya, shout out Idol. So, congratulations. Shout out sa'yo. And congratulations because you are now monetized. Ayan. Yan lang guys. And thank you so much guys. Ingat kayo palagi. And bye. And magkita-kita tayo sa next video reaction ko na gagawin. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Bye.